Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to blend two images with auto blend layers in Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to be blended with another image. First, import the second image that we need to blend with the background image. Then, resize it according to your preferences. Now, right-click on the imported image and click Rasterize Layer. After that, navigate and select the Eraser tool from the toolbar. Choose the hard round brush type and adjust the brush size accordingly. Now, use the eraser tool to remove the unwanted background parts of the imported image, leaving only the subject. After that, unlock the background layer by clicking on the lock toggle. Next, select both layers by holding the Control button, go to the Edit option in the menu bar, choose Auto Blend Layers, and select Stock Images from the pop-up window, then click OK. Now you will have achieved the preferred blending that you desire. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.